2024 GMC Sierra 2500HD. With less than 46,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Find what you are looking for and more with these extra features: side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera. Schedule a test drive now before this model is gone.